Hey everybody, so I bought a new Instapot and I think it's time I show you what I'm gonna do with it. And I'll just show you the setup here. So it does come with a yogurt setting, and that's what I'm most excited about. Now, I know my normal reviews are for restaurants or they're for drinks, but this time I feel like we could give Instapot a review as well. So you'll follow along with where I go and where I see the downfalls and where I see where it could be improved as well. And I'm going to show you how I make wine. So once you've gone ahead and added the juice into the Instant Pot, go ahead and add that sugar in. Let's recap the whole process. It fermented for 48 hours over from Friday to Saturday to Sunday afternoon, and then from Sunday to Monday to now Tuesday, it's been sitting, no heat on, just in standby mode in the pot. So I've been allowing it to ferment and actually brew in there and kind of let the yeast do its thing. And sometimes you just gotta let the yeast do its thing. So let's lift off the pot. Now you see that there's still bubbles in here, so that means the carbonation is actually working. Give it a little stir, doesn't hurt. Now the stirring actually reduces the bubbles and gets rid of the carbonation. The last thing you want is a carbonated red. Well, in my opinion, the last thing I want is a carbonated red. But we might be on different wavelengths here. Now let's just give it a taste. See, it's a little foamy here. I'm gonna do it though. Smells fruity. Now, there's alcohol in here, and mind you, it has been 4 days or 96 hours, depending on what your clock works. And, frick, I think I'm gonna do another spoonful. Yeah. So, it's tart. You know when you have a cherry for the first time of the season? And you've just picked that cherry, it's kind of what it tastes like. So we're gonna let it sit in here for about maybe 2 more days, and then I'm actually gonna bottle it in these guys from IKEA. Now these were about $1.50 each. I actually have the corks from work, so when I actually bottle this, I'm gonna give it as a gift, because I figure the cork will make a nice, it makes a wine, right? You could have just the cap on here, but what is this? Instapot wine? Yeah, it is. But so we're gonna class it up with the cork, right? And these corks you could just get from Save On for I believe about $3.99 for the whole pack. They're the economy corks, so they're poor man corks. Well, I will fill you in a couple days, okay? And the verdict is in. It's time to start bottling with their IKEA bottles. So I was informed that I didn't actually say a verdict there. But you get the gist of it. Okay. So let's go ahead and taste our wine. Mind you, it has only been 5 days now. It's gonna taste a hell of a lot better after it ferments for about a month longer, okay? Cheers. And now we wait. Hey everybody, so now it's time to actually put a cork in it. So, done. What do we do now? I guess we just sit back, relax, and wait for some wine.